Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another Hot Wheels case here to unbox for you. This is actually the new Pantone series, the second wave of the Pantone. So we're going to crack this open. We'll take a look at each one of those cars. And then I just found this cool little 3-pack from Five Below. So we're actually going to crack this open at the end, check out these Transformers Nanos, and make them into keychains for you on the video. So stick with us. All right, let's crack this guy open. This case came from Entertainment Earth. I don't know if you've ordered anything from them, but I've gotten a few cases, some Matchbox stuff from them, and a couple of larger packs of Hot Wheels. Let's take a peek at this guy here, the new Pantone. Kind of some browns and greens in this one, guys. So we'll start off over here, and we've got the Pantone color 7504. It's kind of like a brownish mud color in the Land Rover Defender 90. There it is, guys. Not bad looking for a Defender. I think the brown color kind of fits. Pantone 7504 on the hood there. Yeah. Not too bad for the first one. Let's see what else we got in here. So this would be the fantasy of the set, I believe. So the Rally Finale in the 2404, kind of a mint green color. Got a nice little metal wing on it. It's kind of cool for a fantasy. The Rally Finale. That is the second one. Now on to the third one. And this one I'm kind of digging, guys. So this is basically a F-150 Raptor, kind of desert Baja treatment to it, with the grill bar, light bar there. Yeah, the Sandblaster. Yeah, it's got the wide body, you can see there. The wide body fender flares there. It does not say anything about it being a Ford, but from that picture we can tell, right? You can see on the grill right there. It's like the first gen Raptor grill. You can barely see in there where it would have had in that clear plastic that said Ford in the grill. Pantone 4515 on this color. I like the wheels. The little white accent around there. Yeah, those two are my favorites so far, I think. And next up, ooh, look at that one, guys. The Toyota Tacoma. That's looking good in that green. It's like an army green color. Nice. 2020 Toyota Tacoma, guys. Pantone 574. Yeah, I like this one. This is my new favorite one of the set. Yeah, I'm digging that one. we got next? A very mud brown color there in the 67 Bronco. Man, they just keep hitting, guys. That thing is sweet. I like it. I like it a lot. Probably gonna be my favorite of the set. Pantone 175. Let's just call that Hershey's chocolate brown. It's different. Let's just say that. But it's a metal base on this one, guys. All metal on this guy. Only one comes of the Bronco out of these. That's kind of a bummer. So the last one, guys, is the Volkswagen Squareback in another minty color. Let's take a peek. Yeah, the wheels are kind of cool. 2304 is the Pantone color on this one. It's even got a nice little stripe down the side there. Some graphics here up front. Don't hate it. 69. There they are, guys. 6 cars in this set. Let's see what we've got for doubles. So we get a double up on the Defender 90, doubled up on the... What is this? I think we got robbed out of this case, guys. Look at this. 3 of these squarebacks. Nobody wants 3 of those. I think we got robbed of a Bronco. I guess it could have been worse. Could have been 3 of the Fantasy. But I think I don't know. If you guys have opened a case, you'll have to let me know, but it seems like there's too many of this guy in there. Not enough Bronco. Definitely not enough Bronco there. So, some super cool trucks though, guys. I actually like all of the trucks. Don't like the Fantasy. Squareback is okay. So for me, number 1, definitely this Bronco, guys. Thing's bad to the bone. Then it's gonna be the Tacoma, the Raptor Sandblaster, and then the Defender. So here's all the colors combined there. The browns and the greens on this Pantone set. All right, so we're going to crack this Transformers guy open here. We're gonna make him into keychains here quick. All right, guys, here's this cool little Transformer set that we found, the Nanos from Jada. They sell some Fast and Furious packs like these at the Walmarts that I've made into keychains, and they turn out pretty cool. If you don't want something quite so big like the 1/64 size, this size fits in the pocket a little better. So there they are, guys. Let's start with the Camaro. This is the newer Camaro, Bumblebee. Bumblebee. What does it say? Actually tells us what it is. 2016 Camaro Bumblebee. And this one is the 1977 Bumblebee. I like this one. Oh, it's kind of cool. Got some nice detail to it. And then Optimus Prime. That is a cool little truck. Heck yeah. Digging that one. Very cool. So let's make these into keychains real quick. So this one we're gonna go right in here with the drill. Because right back here, this is metal, and we just went through the plastic right there. And then we can thread our ring right through there. This is gonna be an easy one to do. We'll stick that right through there like that. And put our chain on. And there we go. We've got an Optimus Prime keychain. Let's do our Camaros here. See where we're gonna drill on this guy. So I'm gonna go in right there where the kind of like a notch for a license plate is, and we'll end up coming out down here. Being a little tricky there. Must be a lot of metal. Okay, so we're gonna go in the plastic now to see where we're at. So it is really thick metal on this one, guys, because I hit right through the plastic and then it's hitting metal. So then we got all the way through, I believe, so we'll check this out. Yep. All right, we're all the way through on that one. So that one was a little trickier. It was some thicker metal there. You never know until you start drilling what the metal's gonna be like. So let's do this one quick and then we'll thread that ring through. So this one, probably gonna go right there by the license plate again. We'll see how thick that one is. Not as thick this time. That one went right through. So then we'll just drill it right about there. Let's see if we can't thread a couple more through. Let's close up the ring. Just like that. 2 down, 1 to go. right. 2 Bumblebee Camaros made, ready for photos. Let's do one more bonus keychain for you here. Let's see if we can do this Bronco. Since this one is all metal, it's gonna be a little different. But what I think we're gonna do, I think we're gonna go in right above the bumper there. We'll go in there. We're gonna try and come out on that side right here. We'll try and make it come out right there. So we'll see how that goes. All right, made it through that one. And I think we will go right here just to try and get the drill bit through. Okay, yeah, it's gonna come right through, so we should be able to thread it through there, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. We might have to drill back here a little ways, possibly, but we'll try it without first. So I can see it already made it through there. I think I'm gonna put the chain on. I'll see if we can bend that ring to fit right down in there. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Yep. Just like that. There we go. Just like that on our Hershey's chocolate Ford Bronco, guys. It is a nice looking keychain. I really like the graphics on the side there with that brown. I'm not a brown car guy. Don't like that as a color normally, but I think it looks pretty decent. So, all right, guys, that was a little extra bonus footage on making keychains on this video. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next unboxing. We'll have some more coming out here soon. Have a good one.